What is a toll-free number and how can I call it?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into the world of telecommunication and specifically talk about toll-free numbers. Toll-free numbers are telephone numbers with distinct 3-digit codes that can be dialed from landlines with no charge to the person placing the call. So, if you've ever wondered what these numbers are and how to call them, you're in the right place.
What is a toll-free number?
A toll-free number is a special kind of phone number that does not charge the caller but rather charges the recipient of the call. These numbers typically begin with a specific 3-digit code such as 800, 888, 877, 866, 855, 844, or 833. Toll-free numbers are widely used by businesses to encourage customers to contact them without incurring any cost.
How do toll-free numbers work?
When you dial a toll-free number, your telephone network recognizes the unique 3-digit prefix and routes the call to the appropriate recipient. The party who owns the toll-free number pays for the calls made to the number. The cost they pay depends on several factors, such as the number of minutes the call lasts and the region from which the call is made.
How to call a toll-free number?
Calling a toll-free number is just like dialing any other phone number. 1. Dial the 3-digit code, 800, 888, 877, etc., 2. Followed by the specific 7-digit number. For example, if the toll-free number is 1-800-123-4567, you would simply dial 1-800-123-4567 on your phone's keypad. In most cases, you can call these numbers from both landlines and cell phones. Keep in mind that while toll-free numbers are generally free to call from within the same country, international calls may still incur charges. Always double-check before dialing a toll-free number from abroad. Well, there you have it. That's all about toll-free numbers, what they are, how they work, and how to call them. We hope that this information has been helpful to you. Remember, next time you see a number starting with a unique 3-digit code, like 800 or 888, you know it's a toll-free number, and you won't be charged for the call. Happy dialing!